still or work on those DBQ skills and what goes all in a DBQ. This is not the day I want. On Friday. We are going to analyze a DBQ, which I think is a pretty attainable one, so with the Dutch Republic. And then you're going to kind of fill up that graphic organizer that I worked on. And then I kind of want to show you some examples, or an example, kind of like the LEQ, of what context would look like, what a thesis would look like, how to use point of view or audience or purpose, and then also how using the document. In a DBQ, I know Mr. Schinker last year probably told you to cite like quotes out of the DBQ. It's almost frowned upon to cite directly from the document in AP DBQ. So if you're not going to direct quote, what are you going to do? Paraphrase. So at this point, let's just take a look at the outline real quick before we dive into the actual DBQ itself. So the first, contextualization. To me, that's that intro part of the essay before the thesis. That's why I put it there. Okay, 1 point for contextualization, 1 for thesis. Then this thesis-driven argument. Especially for this DBQ, there's going to be 3 kind of categories that you can kind of put the documents in. Again, the AP board isn't going to tell you to categorize what I'm going to tell you to. Then after that, document analysis. What does document 1 talk about? What's document 2? But also, what is the point of view and or audience and purpose? Go to the back. The one that you're probably going to struggle the most with on this DBQ at least is that evidence beyond the document. Pulling out a document that's not in the DBQ to support your argument. There's only, 4 people that went with me yesterday? So Alex, Nathaniel, Michael, and Annabelle, you're probably the only ones that are able to do that point. Unless if you're really above and beyond and read the textbook and other sources. Okay. And then finally, synthesis. I feel like you guys have a pretty decent understanding on synthesis, but we'll still need some work. So at this point, what I want you to do is take 15 or so minutes. So what would it be, 10:40. Take that time to annotate, read the documents, kind of maybe start filling out the graphic organizer. At that point, I'll kind of talk through some of the graphical organizer points, and then I'll show you kind of a modeled version of it. I'm actually going to have you identify the thesis, the context, point of view, and the evidence in the one that I did. So 15 minutes, and then we'll kind of regroup. Questions, what you're doing? All right, I'll be walking around if you need help. Get to it.